So now I'm going to talk about the final editor in Celtx. And of course, everything I've showed you so far, like the screenplay, stage play, the audio-video script, and the audio play script, are very specific formatting in this drop-down menu right here. Everything's got to be in the correct formatting. And of course, for a correctly formatted screenplay, that's exactly what you want. So that's great that Celtx does that, because it's just basically a free screenwriting software. But you also maybe just need to write some regular text. So they do offer a text editor, just a plain text editor. And you see it's right here under the select item option. And I've already got one open from their own example. And it's just any kind of plain old text you need to do, this is what this would be good for. In this example, they're using it as a story outline, and you can see they've also even got the novel just right in there. You should go back to story outline. The text editor options are a little bit different, so I just want to show you those. Of course, you no longer have your scene navigator down here because there are no scenes, it's just plain text, and you no longer have your tabs down here for all those options because it's just plain text. But you do have some more options in your toolbar, which is a lot more fonts, increasing the font size right here, font color, and then similar to the just regular stuff, undo and redo, cut, see copy and paste, and then you have a find and replace and a check spelling and another zoom option. And then you have standard bold, italic, underline, and then a little bit different than the other editors is Strikethrough. But you still get your all caps and lowercase. You can finally justify however you want. You can also make bullets or a numbered list. And then there's some indent options. So this is great for just any kind of long document notes about your project you're going to want to make. And like I said, it's a good place for something like a story outline, or maybe a synopsis of the plot or something like that. So that is the text editor in Celtx.